This is the Iron Trader. It's midday trading. Now we have a lot on the docket today. First of all, we're going to look at the VIX. We're going to look at the dollar. We're going to look at gold, and then we're going to look at silver. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, or ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, first off, we have the VIX. Now, you notice how they had a really nice big run up here in 22. Then it came right on down. Now, was a lot of spiking here, and that was all the banking business. Okay, so if you look here, this candle, this candle, this candle, this candle, this is right around the $18 level. Now, it came down here, and you notice that it did put in a higher low at 1852. Okay, so what you want to do is on the downside, you want to watch the 1852. Then you want to watch this candle right here, which is basically 1816. Now, if that is lost, then you're going to go down here to this 1706. Then we want to look here on the weekly chart, and this is why you use price channels. So then we just come across right here. We want to look at this area here. You're looking at the $16 area. You're looking at the $14 area. And then you're looking at 1410, which is the big retest. But this $18 level is holding very strong. So on the upside, if you look at this area here, you're looking at the 20 level. If it can get above, see how you're putting these this spiking candles in. But it needs to close above. If that can spike up, then what we want to do is you want to look at that 50 SMA at $20.64. You want to look at that 100, 21.12, the 21 at 21.81, and then the big boy here, the 200 at 23.65. If this would spike up, they can always look at these topping tails here if it spikes up higher. Now remember, if the VIX comes down, the market will go up, and vice versa. So you always want to keep the VIX on your radar here just to see exactly, what is going on here, the volatility of the market. But watch this key $18 level. That's really your support level, and it will go down to that 1706 level. All right, here we have the dollar. Now, the dollar had a really good run all the way from 89.53 all the way to 114.77. But you notice it's been really coming right on down here. This is your weekly chart, and right that 21-day is just pushing it right on down. So what we want to do is we want to look here at this right here. Okay, that's 182. This is your key level of support. If that holds, then your dollar can have a rise. If not, then we look at the 21 here, already 100 SMA here at 127, and then your retest on your 200 on your weekly at 97.88. That would be the target. Now, on the upside, what we want to do is we want to look basically at the 8 SMA here. This here is sitting at 102.28. You notice how that 8 day is just holding it down. But if it could climb above, then you have the 103.28, and then you have this 50 SMA. See, at 103.43. Now you look how this 50-day coming down, and now it's just leveling off. So that would be the target if the dollar rises, would be that 50 SMA. And then if it happens to close above, then you can go to the 104.05. Your retest here is at 105.88, and then your 200 SMA here is sitting at 106.49. But watch this key 182. That's going to be very, very critical here on your dollar. All right, here what we have here is we have your gold. Okay, well, we had a really nice run all the way on up, came down, then you notice that it put a nice double bottom and then running right up. Now, it broke out here of this trading range. Okay, if you look at this candle right there, that trading range there was 2014.90. Well, it broke now above that. Okay, so what you want to do now is you want to look at the next resistance up here, which is 2049.20. That is going to be the target there on the upside. If it can close above that, then your big target here is 2078.80. Now, on your downside here, you always want to look at the retest at 2014.90. Okay, if it happens to pull back down below that price channel, then your target would be here's this 8-day at 1997.10, and then you could come down here to your 21-day at 1954.60. But right now, the gold looks very, very bullish, and just watch this target here because this would be the next in line right there. Okay, here we have silver. Silver's the same thing as gold. Now remember, commodities, as the dollar comes down, commodities rise. Okay, look at oil, gold, silver, all commodities will rise as that dollar comes down. So this actually broke out of the channel here at 24.77. So your next level, what we want to do is go look at the next level. If it can hold that on a closing basis, then we want to go to this level right here. Okay, so you're looking at this candle right here, which is basically 26.29. You're looking at this candle right there. You're looking at 26.49, and then your big retest would be this candle here, which would be 27.49. And then as you go on up, you're looking at 28.90. Now, on the downside, you basically want to look here at that price channel again, 24.77, needs to hold that. If not, then you could come down here and retest the bottom of some of these candlesticks. Then you want to look at 24.09 if this thing would come on down because it's been holding all the way on up. And again, if that is lost, then we look lower here, 22.79, 22.39. But right now, this looks very bullish. As long as it can close above this key price channel here, then we can just go level to level to level. Thanks for watching.